guys, and welcome to my channel. And today I'm going to be doing an Elmer's slime kit review. So recently I've seen a lot of really cool slime kits made by Elmer's that look like a lot of fun, so I went ahead and picked up a few of them, and I'm just so excited to open them in today's video, and I really hope you guys enjoy. But before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that this is going to be my last YouTube video of the year. I'm taking some time off to enjoy Christmas with my family, so I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so here's the first Elmer slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the colored slime kit, and I picked this one up at Walmart for around $10. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get one bottle of purple glue, one bottle of pink glue, and 2 bottles of Elmer's magical liquid. So to make the slime, the first step is to pour out the entire bottle of glue into the bowl. And now it's time to activate the slime using the Elmer's magical liquid. So it says to pour 2 teaspoons at a time and to keep slowly mixing and adding it into the glue until the slime is fully activated. So I went ahead and repeated all the exact same steps that I did earlier using the pink bottle of glue, and here's how this slime turned out. Overall, I thought this was a very nice slime kit. Both of these slimes are super nice and stretchy, and they have amazing bubble pops. I just love the color of these slimes as well, and I just had a lot of fun with this kit. So here's the next Elmer's slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the Crunchy Slime Kit, and I picked this one up at Walmart for around $12. I thought this slime kit looked like a lot of fun because it's a super pretty metallic slime, and I was just so excited to open this one. So here's everything that comes inside the box. So you get 1 bottle of metallic glue, 1 bottle of clear glue, and 2 bottles of Elmer's Crunchy Slime Activator. So to make the first slime, I'm going to pour the entire bottle of metallic glue into the bowl. And now it's time to activate the slime using the Crunchy Slime Activator. I thought it was a super cool idea how the foam beads were already mixed into the activator, so you can add in the foam beads without making a mess. So I went ahead and repeated all the exact same steps as I did earlier using the clear bottle of glue, and this one turned out really pretty as well. I am so happy with how these slimes turned out. Both of these slimes turned out so pretty. I just love the colors of both of them. Both of these slimes are super nice and stretchy. They have great clicking noises and they have really nice bubble pops as well. I had so much fun with this slime kit and I would definitely recommend it. So here's the last Elmer slime kit that I'm going to be opening. So this one is the color changing slime kit, and I picked this one up at Walmart for around $10. So here is everything that comes inside the box. So you get 2 bottles of color changing glue, 2 bottles of Elmer's magical liquid, and a UV light. So to make the first color changing slime, I'm going to go ahead and pour the entire bottle of glue into the bowl. And now it's time to activate the slime using the Elmer's magical liquid. So it says to pour 2 teaspoons at a time and to keep slowly mixing and adding it into the glue until the slime is fully activated. Overall, I thought this was a super cool slime kit. The slime comes with this mini light that you can use to doodle on the slime, and I just had so much fun doing this, and it was a lot of fun to watch, and I just had so much fun with this slime kit. Guys, this is it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up. Be sure to let me know in the comments down below which slime kit was your favorite. And again, I am going to be taking some time off to enjoy Christmas with my family, so I hope you all have a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye!